There's just something about unboxing stuff. It's fun for everybody. Brand new motors. Hi everybody! Welcome back to the third edition of Pollution Blue. The best P.A.V. / drone prototype ever built. It's got full suspension going on now, so you get a nice soft landing when you land. And we got motors for you today. KED Direct, the best motors in the industry. We've got 6815 XF high lift series brushless motors. They have 3 main bearings, which a lot of them don't. They only have 2. Quality bearings too. Everything's manufactured in Japan, designed in the United States. No Chinese here. And they've got magnets that are actually rounded, so there's better surface coverage. Better high performance for sure. This black band, it retains the magnet force, so nothing's wasted. I've seen these things running underwater. They are incredible motors. I have no affiliation with KED Direct. They're just the best motors out there. Okay, so I have the motor mounts all drilled out. Frames are ready. I've got a really nice countersunk motor mount. The back and the front. So what I got to do is take these motors and run the wires through that hole there in the back and through this hole in the front. And then they'll go inside the arm, totally aerodynamic. I'll take that cover off. Alright, so I got these super duper clips. Oh, got the glass on. Took the glass off, just has 2 screws. Then this one clips. And now we can get to the wires coming out. I'm going to crisscross these. It's just easier on the wire. Okay, so the reason why it's so easy to get that canopy off is these killer little latches I made that you get from underneath. That way, when you go to snap it back on, like a jewel. Alright, I got the motors mounted. KED Direct. Bam. Bam. So I'm probably going to crisscross the wires because they're, I'm not sure yet. But, and then the backs just come out up inside of here. You can't really see, but they come up on underneath that wing, and the ESCs will probably be mounted right here. Put the glass back on. So the stage is set. This is where all my electronics will go. Kind of covers everything up. A little bit cleaner. Carbon fiber. Little hump built in for the gear for the motor. Like I said, that's where the electronics will go. Little shot at the motors. The wiring's just nice and tight in there. It ain't gonna come near anything. Can't see nothing. There we go. Can you see the wires? They're tucked in there pretty good. They're not going nowhere. I'll try to get them all to look like that. Good and tight. KED Direct motors, but you know that. You know what? Looks like we got a little emerald. There is a little green emerald on this side, on the right side. And wait a minute, what is this? Is that a ruby right there on the left side? Holy free holy, a red ruby. Bada boom, bada bing, huh? panels are back on it. One nice little snap. I never really showed how kick-ass these landing gear linkages are. It's titanium. Right here I got a titanium tube. It's all titanium. That's titanium. These are titanium. All that's titanium. Thanks to my buddy over at C&G Machinist in Tempe, Arizona. Bam! Oh my gosh, there's a motor on it. Mounted pretty nice. It'll do. Blam. Are we rolling? Is this the conclusion? All right. Well, we got motors. Bam. Best motors I could find. I'm excited about next week's episode. We're talking about props now. These are carbon fiber. They are KED Direct. They're airfoil in design. There's going to be 32 of these. There's 32. So there's 8 on each motor. I contacted KED Direct and they were happy to work with me and make an 8-digit hub. So, because they don't make them. Nobody makes them. I want it for performance, and the sound's going to be wicked. So I'm really excited. They're making them especially for me. I'll have them in about a week, and I'll have them installed. So that's about it for episode 3. Stay tuned for episode 4, Pollution Blue.